Mother's Day morning. People a laugh, music a play, then everything dark. Officer, please. Them pull up fast, blue light on the road. Everybody freeze up, whole place overload. Somebody shout, police there. People start scatter, run left the bar. One little youth, heart full of fright. Him hands them raising at the middle of the night. Me hear the begging, clear as day. Officer, please make the youth they stay. But anger take over, rage get grim. Suck your mother, them a scream pon him. Me never know fear could sound so real. One youth a beg while him life pon the wheel. Mama spirit shake before she even was somewhere in the darkness. Her son drop down cold. Officer, no kill him, me a beg you, no kill him. Mama ball tonight, hear her voice start trembling. Officer, no kill him, please no kill him. Suck your mother, ring out while the trigger start singing. Him and them in a ear, still them fire go in him. Officer, no kill him, me a beg you, no kill him. Them tell witness move, turn your back and walk. Fear take over, silence full of dark. Me walk off slow, heart full of stress. Look back 1 second, see them shove him chest. 3-shot bus cut through the air. Whole place freeze up, people full of scare. Then more shot fire, straight up a sky. One lick the glass, same time, innocence die. Nobody move cause everybody frightened. One wrong step and your life gets silent. How much more, mama, have to cry per road? How much more candle fi burn with sorrow? How much more youth fi dead with dream before the system hear the people scream? Officer, no kill him, yeah, beg you, no kill him. Mama ball tonight and the whole scheme feel it. Officer, no kill him, please no kill him. One life disappear while the siren keeps spinning. Him and them in a ear, still them fire go in him. Officer, no kill him, me I beg you, no kill him. Mother's Day, and a mama lose her son. Silence kill people too.